Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today we are making the most adorable Disney badge reels. And these would also be really cute if you're going on like a family Disney vacation or a friend Disney vacation. These would be cute to go on your lanyards to hold your passes and stuff. But these are so cute. So these little polymer clay pieces here, these came from Etsy. And they are so cute. And they make these incredible badge reels. So if you would like to see these be put together, just stay tuned. We're going to make them and you can see all the pieces. And then we've got this little girl here. We have got Mulan. We have Woody. We have Mickey, Animal Kingdom Mickey. And we have Jessie. And then they're all on badge reels. We did the center on each of them. I did UV resin with glitter on the backs of the badge reels so that any piece that, shows through will, have some glitter on it. So keep watching. We'll make them, and these turned out so cute. I hope you like them. I'll see you later, friends. Bye. All right, friends, we are going to make the easiest Disney badge reels, but these are going to be so cute. Now, these pieces on Etsy are about $4. So I would say making it's about $5, but I would sell these for $20-25 easy because they're so cute. Okay, so these are polymer clay dolls from Etsy, as you can see. And if you go on Etsy, put in polymer clay dolls, different things will come up. All right. So, sometimes they have the same ones, sometimes not, it just depends, right? So, but these are what we're going to use. And we're going to make badge reels. I've got these clear badge reels from Amazon. I'm going to make sure each one of them pulls. And I got 5 badge reels, so let's make 5. I also got this Mulan, so let's make her too. All right, so I'm gonna just snap all of my things, make sure they snap, and then also I want them snapped to do the snaps. Now this is going to be, like I said, very easy, very quick. All right, I've got some cups here for my glitter and my UV resin. Let me grab one more cup. All right, so for this one, we're going to be doing yellow from Glitter Chimp. And then for this one, we're going to be doing Moody from Glitter Chimp. And then for this Mickey, we're going to be doing Burnt Toast. And then for Woody, we're going to be doing Bad Apple. And then for Mulan, we're going to be doing Armor. And I have toothpicks and then just something to stir and apply. All right. And then, of course, my UV resin. I'm using the hard type UV resin from Glitter Chimp. If you've never seen one of my videos or seen this stuff is amazing and it gets hard like epoxy. All right. So we're going to show how quick we can make these 5 badge reels. So
going to put my UV resin in. I don't need a lot. I can always add if I needed to. I'm going to put in some glitter. Alright, so now I'm going to take these, I'm going to turn them upside down, like this, and I'm going to put them all under, and then let them sit under for about